Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both machines. Connect them to the same router or directly with Ethernet and sign in with administrator accounts. Once done, enable network discovery and file sharing in the OS network settings so machines can see each other. Next, pick what to share, a folder, drive, or specific files, and verify you know which user accounts need access. Make sure firewalls allow file sharing, otherwise the next steps will appear to work locally, but fail across the wire. Now configure the share itself. On the source PC, right-click the folder and open Sharing or Advanced Sharing, then set a clear share name and limit simultaneous users if desired. Next, adjust permissions. Use NTFS and share permissions together, granting read, change, or full control to specific users or groups. Once permissions are set, map the share from the other computer using / hostname / share name or map network drive. Enter credentials when prompted, and verify you can read and write as intended. Finish by testing. Copy a small file both ways to confirm read and write access, and check transfer speeds to spot issues. If you cannot connect, make sure both PCs are in the same IP range, the same workgroup or domain, and that the firewall permits SMB or the chosen protocol. Once you check those, restart networking services or reboot both machines. If problems persist, confirm SMB version compatibility between systems and enable the appropriate protocol. Older SMBs may be blocked by modern security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.